IFC drawings, or issued for construction drawings, represent the final approved design documents that contractors rely on to bring a building to life. Imagine them as the ultimate blueprint, ensuring that every detail aligns with the architect's and engineer's vision. These drawings are packed with comprehensive detail, covering everything from architectural elements to structural, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. Coordination is key. All disciplines are harmonized to prevent conflicts on site. Plus, they come with specifications that lay out precise instructions on materials, finishes, and construction methods. Before they're finalized, IFC drawings undergo a thorough review process involving all stakeholders, ensuring everyone is on the same page. They serve as the foundation for construction, guiding contractors through the building process. And don't forget, they're also a legal document, referenced in contracts to establish the scope of work. In short, IFC drawings are essential for accurate and efficient construction, making them a crucial part of turning blueprints into reality.